Hi, welcome to Second Harvest. I'm Mark Maingard, one of the co-founders of this amazing project. It's an incredible calling, and I wake up every morning feeling so excited about every day and the difference we can make in Drakenstein at this stage, but also in South Africa over time. And yeah, we started in humble beginnings, doing about 300 a day, and we're now up to about 2,500. It's an incredible journey that we've been on, and I want to just say that it wouldn't have been possible with all the amazing donors and people that believe in our calling and that have helped us grow this project to where it is today. And currently we are doing 25,000 portions of porridge a month into the Drakenstein community, which is obviously a far cry from our 50,000 a day we would like to do, but we cannot do it without the help of corporates and donors to help us achieve our goal. 1 in 4 people in South Africa do not have direct access to food every day, and that's part of this project, is that we want to try and alleviate that massive problem. Even if we make just a small difference, we'll never fix the whole problem, but we just want to make a little difference.
If 1 in 4 kids have no access to porridge, how can we expect our little ones to thrive? Wat is wonderliker as om 'n kleintjie te sien wat breinkrag het, wat kan fokus en wat kan aandag gee. We believe in this porridge as it is filled with vitamins, loads of energy, not just to fill the tummies of these little ones, but to give them the power to develop.
Drink your porridge, drink your porridge, shake them well, shake them well. It is very healthy, it is very healthy, it makes you strong, it makes you grow.
Dit is regtig 'n gesonde, gebalanseerde maaltyd wat ons se kinders elke dag inneem, en hierdie maaltyd elke dag wat hulle geniet, maak van hulle opgewekte kinders en om elke dag hierdie kres te kan bywoon. Baie dankie aan julle span, en ons waardeer wat julle doen, en ons bid ook vir julle.
It definitely helps them, it improves their concentration. They are not so sleepy anymore, they are more energetic and they are alert. So we are really thankful for Second Harvest for investing in our schools.